Okay. So in the circles, we have the theorems. We studied about the theorems, right? So one is the One is from an external point, the two tangents are equal. One theorem what we studied is from an external point, two tangents are equal. So that is PT is equal to TQ. PT is equal to TQ here. Okay. So that we studied. So that is one of the important thing. Okay. So one of the important thing which we use in the problems to prove or solve anything, we use that. And second one, what we studied is and the radius and the tangent. They make 90 degree. Radius and the tangent, they make 90 degree with each other. Okay, at the point of contact. So these two are the theorems which are important. Again, I repeat, PT and TQ. These two are the tangents from a common external point. So they are equal. That is one what we studied. The second one is the 90 degree. The radius and the tangent at the point of contact is equal to 90 degree. So OQT is equal to OPT, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, these two are equal to 90 degree. That is radius and the tangent at the point of contact makes an angle 90 degree. So these are the two important theorems. So they will use these theorems to prove that. They will use these theorems to prove that. We will not do the starting one. Anyway, I think it's very easy. The last few questions are there, no? Which is difficult, we will do it once. And many times in the second exercise, all those problems are there, no? Directly one of them, many times they give it. If you are getting them, you are lucky. Directly will be getting those problems. Or if they are not giving out of the textbook, then it may be the new question itself. So better study the question paper questions are there, no? Study that all that. It may be that, or some other new question also they frame and they give it. Whenever they are giving new question framed, okay, most of the time it will be depending on the theorem that the from an external point two tangents are equal. No, maybe you have to use that. Many times it will be like that. Okay. Only the difficult questions we will revise. Easy questions anyway you people will be able to do. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. If you know that, then do it on your own. So it will be a revision again. No need to do. Go home and do it. Okay. Sit here, na? Afterwards, you can talk now. No, sit here only. No, you should not talk. Afterwards, you'll start. Then fine, you should not talk. Okay. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. It is drawn to circumscribe a circle. That is, the circle is drawn inside that. Okay. So now you have to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Okay, so we know that from an external point, the two tangents drawn from an external point, they are equal. Two tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So we will use that theorem to solve here. So what we will get here? AS is equal to AP. So we'll write it as equation 1. DP is equal, I will write DS is equal to BD, correct? DS is equal to BD. This is equation 2. Then we have CQ is equal to BC. And BQ will be equal to PP. Equation 4. Why so late, everyone? AS is equal to AP, PB is equal to BQ, CQ is equal to BC, BD is equal to DS. So these are the what we get. What is the reason? The tangents drawn from an external point, are equal. Tangents drawn from an external point are equal. So that is the one we are using. So you have to write that what is the reason we are using that. Okay, then only they will give full marks. So I have drawn the diagram. So in the proof, say what and all we have got, from which theorem we are getting that also we should do. And while writing the equation, write such a way that AS and DS will come on one side, AP BP on one side, BC DB on the one side, and CQ BQ on the one side. That what is the reason is so that when you add them, you'll get it in a straight line. That line AS plus DS will become A, like that. So adding equation 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you add all the 4, what you will get? AS plus DS plus CQ plus BQ is equal to AP plus BD plus BC plus PB. Okay. BF. Okay. Okay, here it is. So what you will get? CR and DR. Na? So CQ is equal to CR. Okay. Then DS is equal to DR. Okay. This is R. BR and DR. AP plus DR plus CR plus P. So AS plus DS is AD. CQ plus BQ is equal to BC. This is equal to BC. And then CR plus DR, that is equal to CD plus AP plus PB is equal to AB. So it is proved. Okay, and this result also, remember, MCQs they will ask. Sometimes in the MCQs they will ask so that you have to use this result. So what you will get here, AD plus BC. If you add these two, that will be equal to CD by CD plus AB. Again, I repeat, see, AD plus BC will be opposite sides. If you add them, that is equal to other two opposite sides. That is AB plus C. They may give 2, 3 sides and they may ask the fourth side. There, by using directly the equation, you can find. No need to prove for 1 mark question MCQs now. They may give, for example, this side they may give 8. Here it is 4. Okay. This side it is 6. What about CD now? What is the value we will get CD? 8 plus 4, it is 12. 6 plus 6, 12. They may ask like that. MCQs, they will ask. And again, I'm repeating, whatever we are doing, exactly same question, it will not come. You start practicing more and more, then you will get an idea how to solve that, how to do it faster. And you can start, then you will be able to start thinking more. Then you will be able to solve all the questions. You have to practice more, then only you will be able to get. And 10 to 15 marks, now only I'm telling, in the exam new questions only will come. This is CBSE, not the state syllabus. I will give all the answers, same book. If you read, you will get. No, not only me, no one else. If others also, if they give also, you will not know the exact questions. New framed questions they will give every year, and they will give that questions you will be able to solve when you start practicing more. Okay, then you will be able to solve. Without seeing, you should start practicing MCQs, what I've given. That Oswald book also you have it, right? Without seeing, you start practicing that, RS Agarwal, like that. And every book, no need to practice all the questions. Okay. So just write the question number, and you can write page number and question number. So no need to write the question. And which are not repeated questions are then only that you do. Once you would have done in CRT, so many questions are there. Don't do the repeated question in Oswald or RS Agarwal. Some different questions are there, only that you do. And RS Agarwal also, same type, many are there, 4 are there, do 2. That is enough, like that. Okay. Seriously, take what I'm telling and do. Okay. If you want more than 90, you have to do all that. Practice well. Hmm? Hmm. So here, prove the AOB is equal to 90 degree. Do everyone, I'll come and check. We have done these questions. They've given xy parallel to x dash y dash. That is a given thing. And they've given AB is a tangent. Do this, I'll come and check. Circle is there, no? Victim, you don't have. Yeah. Okay, I will do on Saturday, Sunday, I think. No, I've given. You come, you people, Keisha, someone else, you also have. All I will do that. In that applications of trigonometry, how to do this. Yes, okay. Then fine, no? Everyone can come. Applications of trigonometry, few people have. You also have for me next. Okay. Who are having, let them come once. I'll do for at least for the midterm. Okay. I have to prove this angle is 90 degree. Correct? Remember, I told you when I want to prove this 90, if I know these two sum, is 90, then I can say this angle 90 by angle sum property. Again, I repeat, AOB. Listen this, AOB, I have to prove AOB angle 90 degree. But AOB is a triangle. If I want to prove this 90, if I prove these two angles are equal, sum is equal to 90 degree, then this should be also equal to 90 degree because by angle sum property. Okay, angle sum property, first thing. Now, I will take this angle, just naming 1 so that it will be easier. This is angle 1. I'll take this as angle 2. This one angle 3, and this is angle 4. Okay. Now I will draw one line here. OC line I will draw. Now if I consider, listen this, OPA and AOC, these two triangles, these two are congruent. You will get these two congruent. So angle 1 and 2 will be equal. Similarly, angle 3 and 4 equal by proving these two triangles congruent. We'll write down. This much understood now. And now first I'll write proof. This is given thing. This is prove that proof. Now, in triangle AOB, first triangle I'll write AOB. AOB angle plus OAC angle or OAB angle plus OBA angle should be equal to 180 degree. First one equation I will write. This angle plus 2 plus 3 all together it should be 180 by angle sum property. That is sum of all the angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this is angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. Next, in triangle POA and triangle AOC. In these two triangles, OA is the common side. Correct? In these two triangles, OA is the common side. OA is equal to OA. It is the common side. PA is equal to AC because they are tangents from the same external point. PA is equal to AC, tangents from same external points. Okay, some same external point. Next, OP is equal to OC. Radii of the same circle. They are the radii of the same circle. Okay, therefore, triangle POA is congruent to triangle AOC. Okay, by SSS congruency rule. Once they are congruent by CPCT, I can say the corresponding angles equal. So 1 and 2 equal. To write easy, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT rule. Similarly, I can write same thing. OB is common side, BC is equal to QB by tangents from the same external point, and OQ is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Same way we can do. Just write similarly, triangle BOC is congruent to triangle BOQ. Same thing, therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is second equation. This is the third equation. So this much clear? Okay. So now I know angle 1, 2, 3 is there, and here it is 4. 1 and 2 equal, 3 and 4 equal. We got 1 is equal to 2. This is second one. 3 is equal to 4. That is the third one. Now, if I take PQBA, PQBA is what? It is a quadrilateral. PQBA is a quadrilateral.
XY and X minus an angle. So angle P plus angle Q is.
They are also 90. You can do it. Both the way it's same. Okay. And now we have got PQBA. This is an quadrilateral. In that angle P, this P is 90 degree and this Q angle is also 90 degree. That is OPA angle. Okay, OPA angle is equal to OQB angle, that is equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? Radius and tangent, they are always at 90 degree at the point of contact. So OPA and OQB, it is equal to 90 degree. Reason that the radius is perpendicular to tangent at point of contact. At the point of contact. Okay. So now in the quadrilateral, we know these two 90-degree. What and all we have? OPA plus angle 1 plus angle 2. These two is equal to PAC angle. Then 3 plus 4 plus OQB, that is equal to 360-degree, because sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral is always equal to 360-degree, correct? So these two are 90, 90, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is all together, it is 360. Now this is 90 and this is also 90. So I can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 360 minus of 180 degree, because 90 plus 90, 180, when it goes to the other side, it is minus 180. So what you will get? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. Now I know 1 and 2 equal, 3 and 4 equal. Instead of 1, I can write 2 only. So 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 3. Instead of 4, I can write 3 only. So 2 times angle 3 is 180 degree. 2 plus 3 is 90 degree. So this this equation, I'll write it as 4. From 1 and 4, what I will know? AOB is equal to 90 degree. AOB is 90 degree. That's all. Okay. See, in these proofs, you can't remember like this letters and lines like that. What you have to remember is what and all method I'm using here. First, I took any triangle, sum of all the angles 90 degrees. So I have to prove 2 and 3 90. That much you can remember. Then 2 triangles I will prove congruent. From that 1 and 2 equal, 3 and 4 equal. Then try to substitute, you will get the answer. Like that you should remember and you should practice. Without seeing these problems, you have to practice in home. If you get stuck up, open the book and do it. Redo from where you are stuck up. Then you will never go wrong in the exam if you do like that. Okay. So you have to prove AOB and ACB. Together it is 180 degree. So this is the diagram given. Huh. Huh? Okay. If they have not given also, you have to draw it. And most of the questions, they don't give the diagram in the exam. Because you are 10th standard, not second standard. No, that's it. Most of the time, they don't give the diagrams. You have to write the diagram first and then continue. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, if you don't write the diagram, they will not know what is AC and BC. They will not give marks. Some people, they will not give marks at all. If you don't write the diagram, you have to write compulsory. Directly, you can do it. Do it now. Supplementary. That is 180. AOB and EAC. Okay. Now prove this. I think this is very easy. No? Here also radius and tangent 90 degree. So AOBC, it's a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral. Okay. So AOB angle plus OAC angle. Listen, Gavin, here. OAC angle plus OBC angle plus ACB angle. All together it is 360 degree angle sum property. Now OAC, this angle, and OBC, these two are 90 degree. Reason, radius and the tangent are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact. So AOB plus 90 plus 90 plus ACB is 360 or AOB plus ACB is equal to 180 and the reasons you will write, no, you know, you will write. But in exam, you have to write. And listen, exam, how to write the proof? First, you should draw the diagram. What and all given you can write. You can write like AC and AB are two tangents drawn from an external point, those things. Then proof. In the proof, what is the reason, angle, sum property like that? Right. That's also not. Huh. So I'll name A, B, C, D, name it P, Q, R, and S. Okay. So what is given here? Parallelogram. So opposite sides equal. That is CD is equal to AB and AD is equal to BC. This is the given thing. Now to prove that it is a rhombus, that means all sides equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. This you have to prove. Okay. Now proof. Same thing what we did now earlier like that. See, tangents drawn from external point are equal. That is AS is equal to AR. Okay. Then DS is equal to CP. Then we have BQ is equal to CQ. BQ is equal to BR. On DS equal to DP. Okay, wait, correct. Now AS is equal to AR. I've written first thing. Next, BR is equal to BQ. BR I write here. That is equal to BQ. Okay. Then here CP is equal to CQ. CQ is equal to CP. So tangents from same external point equal. Then from here DS is equal to DP. DS is equal to DP. What we did earlier, no, same thing. So same, what is the reason? Tangents drawn from external points are equal. Okay. So add everything, what you will get? AS plus BQ plus DS, CQ plus DS is equal to AR plus BR plus CP plus DP. So AS plus DS is AD, BQ plus CQ is BC. Now this is equal to AR plus BR, that is AB, plus CP plus DP is equal to C. We proved already, no? That only we'll take. Now I know CD is equal to AB. AB and CD are equal. Okay. So instead of CD, I will write 2 times AB here. Similarly here, I know AD and BC are equal. So I know AB I have written. Instead of BC, I will write AD itself. 2 times AD. So I got AD is equal to AB. So now, this if I know this one, if I take this as 2. I know already AD is equal to BC and also I know AD is equal to AB. Then I can write AD is equal to AB is equal to BC. AD is equal to AB is equal to BC. Similarly, I know, here I know that CD is equal to AB, so I can equal to CD. Therefore, it is a rhombus. Just one step extra you should write. Already given other 2 sides equal, from that you can prove adjacent sides are also equal. Therefore, all sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.